Hello students, welcome back to the part 2 of economics, very short concepts, and in part 1 we have discussed unit number 7, important concepts from 1 to 6, and today we are going to continue it in our part 2 class, that is 7th, 8th and 9th. We are going to get 3 2 marks concepts in exams. Remember, please, very important concepts, note it down and practice as many times as possible. So 7th concept is General Insurance Corporation, that is GIC. It is different when compared to Life Insurance Corporation. In frequently we hear the term LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation, and very rare we find GIC, that is General Insurance Corporation. It have been nationalized by government in the year 1972. In which year did it nationalize? In the year 1972. And there are 4 GIC companies. There are how many GIC companies? 4 General Insurance Corporation companies. Let us see what are those. First one is National Insurance Company Limited. The second one is New India Assurance Company Limited. Third one is Orient Insurance Company Limited, and last one is United India Insurance Company Limited. This insurance company limited is same in everyone except the second one, that is New India. In here you find assurance, not insurance. So while by hearting, you just by heart National, New India, Orient, United India. National, New India, then Orient, then again United India. National, then New India, then Orient, then United India. Insurance Company Limited is same. So while by hearting, you can by heart like this. There are 4 GIC companies which have been nationalized by the government in the year 1972. Let us start the 8th definition or 8th concept, that is infrastructure. So it is an umbrella term which will cover all the service activities. So infrastructure can be divided into 2 types, or it can be classified into economic infrastructure and social infrastructure. Under economic infrastructure you find gas, power, telecommunication and water supply. Under economic infrastructure you can find gas, power, telecommunication and water supply. Under social infrastructure, social means always keep in mind it is related with health and education. So it includes healthcare, education and family welfare. These are the social infrastructure and these are the economic infrastructure. Now coming to our last definition or 9th concept, that is tertiary sector. The main heading of unit number 7 is nothing but tertiary sector. So what is tertiary sector and what does it includes? As you know that we have 3 sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary sector. Primary also known as agriculture, secondary also known as industrial and tertiary also known as service sector. So this is the last sector, that is the 3rd sector, and it includes transport, communication, banking, insurance, trade, hospitality services, police administration, defense, education, healthcare and family welfare. These all activities are included in tertiary sector. We have also learned one more concept in this unit which is in 5 marks. The same definition is there over that answer also. So it might be helpful for you if you learn this 2 marks concept, it will be helpful for your 5 marks also. So we have discussed GIC, infrastructure, and the last one we have discussed is tertiary sector. GIC is General Insurance Corporation, nationalized in 1972, and there are 4 GIC companies. Infrastructure divided into economic and social. Then these many items are there in tertiary sector. Note all the points, write it for 5 times and prepare for 10 times and by heart it as many times as possible. I hope you have understood today's concepts. See you in our next class with the next fresh unit and important concepts. Till that, stay home, stay safe and always keep practicing.